On November 6th, our AICC new president, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, our senior most leader of this country and the president of the AICC, is arriving to Bangalore. We all we want to give him a very big welcome to him. And on the same time at 2:30 in Palace Grounds on Bakery Circle, we are organizing a Sarvodaya Samavesha. So a big event will be organized. Sarvodaya Samavesha will be organized. I think all the state leaders from every booth, including the booth leaders from every panchayat, we have requested them to participate in this program. A mammoth gathering will be organized. We are just looking at the forecast also. Looking at the forecast, we want to have two stages kept ready for ourselves. So we'll take a call. We will all, the working presidents and all of us will decide how the program has to be organized. So it has been decided on 6th.